Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the ICTION power supply, designed as a replacement for the Apple iMac 27-inch A1419 models from 2012 to 2017 and the A2115 2019 to 2020 series. This internal 300W ATX power supply is air-cooled and promises to breathe new life into your iMac if its original power supply has failed. First impressions are important, and ICTION emphasizes that they conduct after-sales service. They also share information about laptop spare parts in the Chinese market. This could be useful for those who like to stay informed about the latest trends and components available. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: installation. ICTION clearly states that this isn't a job for beginners. Disassembling and reassembling an iMac requires technical skills and experience. If you're not comfortable working with delicate electronics, it's best to seek professional help. Attempting this without the necessary knowledge could lead to further damage to your iMac. The fact that each power supply is tested before shipping is reassuring. This suggests a commitment to quality control and reduces the chances of receiving a defective unit. However, it's still crucial to handle the component with care during installation. Regarding the specifications, the ICTION power supply is designed to be compatible with specific iMac models. It's essential to verify that your iMac model number matches the compatibility list: A1419 from 2012 to 2017 and A2115 from 2019 to 2020 before purchasing. The 300W wattage should be sufficient for the power requirements of these iMac configurations. The ATX form factor and connector type suggest a standard design, but always double-check compatibility with your iMac's internal connections. The air cooling method is typical for iMac power supplies and should provide adequate thermal management. In conclusion, the ICTION power supply appears to be a viable replacement option for faulty power supplies in compatible iMac 27-inch models. The emphasis on testing before shipping is a positive sign. However, the installation process requires technical expertise, and it's crucial to ensure compatibility with your specific iMac model before making a purchase. If you're comfortable with the installation or willing to seek professional assistance, this power supply could be a cost-effective way to revive your iMac.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.